If you want to gain knowledge and acquire good skill set, hi, I'm Chandu, and in this video I'll be talking some of the important skills that every one of us need to learn and make it your demand. So watch the video till the end. Number one is doing free online courses. There are multiple number of platforms offering free courses from Coursera, Udemy, Great Learning, where if you're interested in learning businesses or financial related courses, just go for the Coursera and search for the keyword businesses. Then it will show some relevant courses, so you can enroll for one course and start watching each and every video and complete the given tasks, so that by the end of the course you will get a rough idea on how the business model works, what are the different strategies or the techniques big companies use. So we can get a rough idea on how marketing works, so you can learn a lot from them. So you need to take a free online courses before doing anything. So if you could learn anything, then you can start earn anything. So you need to take up free online courses in order to experiment on the learnings. So number two is applying for the part-time internships. So there are internships which offer you work as well as be a part of those companies as well. The one thing that we can learn from the internships is experiences as well as teamwork. So through these internships there are multiple number of job profiles you can apply for. If you are interested in learning video editing or content relating skills, then you can just search for the job profiles and apply for those interested or relevant content writing or video editing skills. Then the companies would select your job profile and give you an opportunity to showcase your skills. Then you can even learn or you can apply the skills that you already have, and you can even get paid for the work you have been working for the couple of months or for the couple of weeks. So you need to start experimenting on the time you spent on working on the online courses can be experimented through these part-time internships. Number three is registering for the hackathons as well as coding challenges. Registering for the hackathons and coding challenges gives you a motive to tie up with different kind of people, make up new friends all over the India or from different colleges. You will get to know different ideas as well as their way of thoughts. If you could have one idea but couldn't know how to implement it or how to make it your purpose, then you can just share it with your friends. Then he may share their thoughts on how to implement the product, how to develop that. So we need to share your ideas and thoughts to your friends, so that we need to make up a friends as well as a team. So that the one skill that we can learn from these clubs or hackathons as well as coding challenges is a teamwork. So we need to make a strong team. You can just share the work between yourself, so that you will get easy for your work and get strong at your part. So we need to register for relevant hackathons as well as coding challenges conducted by different colleges as well as companies, and you may get rewarded for the work you do, and you may get different opportunities for the different companies or for the colleges for different projects as an expose as well. And number four is be a part of your college fest as well as clubs. See, like college fest and clubs are very enthusiastic as well as very interesting, but it can give you an exposure to get out of your comfort zone as well. The one skill that we can master from these clubs as well as clubs college fest is networking. Networking is one such skill that every one of us need to master in order to stand out unique. So every one of us need to join in the college fest as well as clubs. Like if you could make out one friend from different colleges, there will be conducting inter college fest as well as you can join in other college fests as well. You can make up new friends over there. Like if one such person is good at something, like he is good at marketing, and another one is good at businesses. Then you can even share your thoughts. Like you may ask like what are the different ways we can learn the business, what are the different way we can start over with the finances. Then he may give you an rough idea, like you can start over from taking up these courses, or you can take up from these models. So he may give you some thoughts, or he may share their experiences as well. So we need to make up friends and strangers in the college phase as well as clubs. The last and important one is be always in active on the social media profiles. We all have our social media accounts like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Nowadays these are the platform for the strong marketing. So many companies start their promotions or share their promotions through these profiles. Like we need to stay up to date on these LinkedIn profiles. If you could follow your loud entrepreneurs or content creators, they will share their own way of experiences or their learnings or the way of approaches that you can learn. So you will get a rough idea on how to start off with for a particular skill. So we need to be stay up to date onto the social media profiles in order to stay unique. So we need to acquire these some basic skills in order to be showcase you have something unique apart from others. So these are some best skills and the important skills every one of us need to equip right now. So if you found this video helpful, just share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.